What are the operators in C language? Okay, C operators are the symbol that are used to perform mathematical or logical operations. Okay, mathematical operations means add, subtract, division, multiplication, then finding the remainder, or we can call it as a mod. These are the arithmetic or mathematical operation, we can say. Logical operation means and operation, or operation, XOR operation, not operation. These are the logical operations. Okay, so there are symbols used for performing such kind of operations, and these symbols are called as the operators. Okay, and there are some assignments operator. Equal to is a assignment operator. Relational operator is greater than, is less than. These are the relational operators. Okay, so there are different type of operators in C language. We'll see the example of these operators. Arithmetic operators. Okay, so plus is to add the two operands. If I take a value of a equal to 10, b equal to 20, then addition will be 30. Subtract a minus b minus 10. Asterisk is for multiplication, slash is for division, then percentile is for modulus, or to find the remainder after integer division. Okay, then plus it is increment a value by 1. It is going to be increment the value by 1 only. Okay, so if I want to increment the value by 2, so I need to write this command two times, a plus plus a plus plus. Okay, दो बार लिखना पड़ेगा if I want to increment two times. If I'm going to write only one time, it is going to increment the value for one only. Okay, minus minus, this will decrement the value by unit 1. So these are the arithmetic operators. Now this is a simple program. What we will do in this program, first we'll declare the three integers a, b, c. Now here see the declaration of three integers at a one time. Okay, you can declare by a simple method int a semicolon, int b semicolon, int c semicolon. But if I am having a more number of variables of same type, okay, same type के ज़्यादा variables रहेंगे, so I can declare that variables in a single line like this way, int a comma b comma c. Okay, so you can declare the variable of same type in a single line also. Otherwise, if you want to declare it separately, you can declare it separately like int a semicolon, int b semicolon, int c semicolon. Okay, now here simple method that we have already studied in previous lecture, how to accept the value from keyboard. So before that, I will print a message, enter a value of a. Now scanf, it is what, it is an integer, so we are using format specifier percentage d and a, so it will accept the value of a. Now we are not going to display it, what is the value of a is, we know that. Okay, now printf, enter the value of b. Scanf percentage d and d and b, so this value whatever you are going to enter, that comes into the b. And to save the result, we have a operator c. So just simply simple commands are there. C equal to a plus b. Now in the C you will get the answer of a plus b. So we just display the C. Okay. Now C equal to a minus b. Now here C is a variable and the value of C is going to be overwrite every time. Now the C contains the answer a minus b. I think sharing is stopped. Now next is C equal to A into B. A asterisk B, it will perform the multiplication. C equal to A divided B, or we can say B divided by A if I am going to take a B greater than A, or you can, if you do A divided by, that will also do. This will do the division of operators slash. Now A percentile B, it will perform the division and it will return you the remainder. Okay, it will return you the whatever remainder is there. Now here I assign C equal to 10. Now here this value of C become 10, and if I use the operator C plus plus, the value become 11. Okay, now in a C the value is 11. After that immediately if I use C minus minus, 11 से एक minus हो जाएगा and it will again become 10. So this operators we will see into the program. Okay. So I will share the screen for online debugger. So this is our online compiler. Now here I will declare int a comma b comma c. Now here in a single line I am going to declare three integer type variables. Okay, these three variables are of same type, so we can declare in a single line. Now I need to accept the value, so I will write a command printf. Write a command printf. Enter value of a. Now will scanf. A is the integer, so we are using here format specifier percentage d, comma. कहाँ पे रखना है value? In this integer a I have to keep, so I need to give the address of a. So address of a is given by ampersand symbol. So when you use this ampersand symbol with the variable name, it specify the address of that name. So this ampersand is also act as a operator. Okay, this also act as a operator when it is when it is in front of your variable, it act as a operator to give the address. Okay, now we accept the value of a. Same way from a user will accept the value of b. So enter the value of b, and here scanf में just we change the address of b. Now we'll write simple command c equal to a plus b. Now in this command plus is a operator, equal to is a operator. Okay, equal to is a assignment operator, plus is a mathematical operator or arithmetic operator. Okay, now in C we get the addition, so we display the value of C, or we can write addition of a plus b is क्या है? It is percentage d. Sharing stop हो गया, wait just a second. And it is operator C. So we'll write, just check this simple program here. Yes, comma change. Yes, and here we need a comma, and here semicolon. So we run this simple program.
मैम ए और बी में भी सेमीकोलन रखी है.
हाँ ए
Yes, here also semicolon is missing. Okay, we are getting error here. Okay, the expected semicolon, the error at this line number 15, it is saying that expected semicolon before scanf. So by reading a error, you come to know that where is the error and what what may be that error. So it is asking, next line पे नहीं गया, स्लैश गलत हो गया है. So value of A I will put 10. Enter value of B I will put 20. And I will get the here addition is 30. This is again one more error. It is not going to the next line. So value of A is 10. Value of B I am going to enter is 20. And the addition is 30. Okay. Same way we'll do the next. Okay. C equal to A minus B. We'll print that. C equal to A into B. Next, C equal to A divided by B. Next, C equal to A mod B. और what I will do here, B का value हमने ज़्यादा लिया है, so I will write B divided by A, and here I will do B mod A. Or I will use here mod word instead of remainder. So now if I take the value of B equal to 20, A equal to 10, what answer should I get for B divided by A and B mod A? Okay. Somebody unmute and tell me. If I say B equal to 20, A equal to 10, so what answer I should get B divided by A and B mod A?
Ma'am, 2 and 0.
B divided by A I should get
2.
2 and B mod A I should get 0,
0.
because there is no remainder. Okay, B mod A. But if I take B value 22 and A value 10, then in that case I will get division 2 and remainder or mod is also 2. Okay. So I will enter value of A is 10, value of B 20, and you will get the answer here, addition. Here I need to change the symbol. In the printf I have not changed the symbol, so I am getting here subtraction of like this way. So I am getting answer correct. ये printf में instead of A plus B I will put here A comma B. Now here I will write C equal to 15. And I will say C plus plus semicolon. What answer I should get?
16.
15.
The answer I should get is 16, because plus plus will increment the value by 1. Again I write C plus plus. Here, now what answer I should get?
17.
Right. So increment of A or increment of C I said. Okay. So C का value 15 है. यहाँ पे I have assigned. I have used the operator equal to assign a value. And plus plus it will increment the value. value of A 10, value of B 20. Now this kind of answers I will get. Okay, so increment of C is 17. Same way, if I want to decrement, what operator I will use? I will use C minus minus semicolon. Again I will use C minus minus semicolon, C minus minus semicolon. Now I have decremented 3 times. So what value I should get now for C?
15.
Hmm?
15.
15. Now currently its value is 17. This first currently क्या value है? 2 बार increment हो गया 17 है. Now first time it will make 16. Second time it will make 15 and here it will make 14. So answer should be 14 because 3 times I am decrementing. Now here I have get the value 14 because whatever the current value is there, यहाँ पे current value क्या है? See 15 is there. I have incremented 2 times, so it becomes 17. And after 17, it decremented by 3 times, so answer will be 14. So this is a very simple program for verification of mathematical operators. Okay, mathematical operators. For bitwise operation operators, you should know how to perform the bitwise operations. Okay. We'll go to the PPT again. Now we have seen the program for mathematical now bitwise operation ampersand. Okay, ampersand is for bitwise operation. Then pipe it is for OR operation. Then this cap, this is for bitwise operation. Tilde, that is bitwise complement, that is not operation. Then shift right and shift left. Okay, so these are the bitwise operations. We'll see the examples. Now if I take the value of A4 and value of B5, now how it will be represented in the binary format? A, if the value of A is 4, in binary format it is 0, 1, 0, 0. And if the value of B is 5, in the binary format it is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now if we perform AND operation. So how the AND operation is performed? In a AND operation, if both the bits are 1, then only answer is 1. Otherwise answer is 0. So when we perform this AND operation, we'll see that here in the first yellow color box. Okay, see here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now here only the second position has 1, 1. So that becomes 1, other becomes 0. And this value is decimal equivalent of this value is 4. A or B, this second yellow color box, A or B. The OR operation, what is the logic of OR operation? If any one of the bit is 1 or both the bits are 1, then answer is 1. And if both the bits are 0, then answer is 0. So if I do the OR operation of these bits 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now here at the last position, single bit is 1. So we make it 1. Both the bits are 0, so it is 0. Both the bits are 1, so it is 1. Both the bits are 0, it is 0. दोनों में से एक बीट भी अगर 1 है तो आंसर 1 आता है. दोनों के दोनों बीट अगर 0 है तो आंसर 0 आता है OR ऑपरेशन में. So if I perform OR operation of A and B, I should get the answer 5. Now XOR operation. What is the logic of XOR operation? The logic of XOR operation is both the bits are similar, then answer is 0. Similar means दोनों के दोनों बीट अगर 0 है तो आंसर 0 आएगा. दोनों के दोनों बीट 1 है तो आंसर 1 आएगा. Both the bits should be same. Now in this XOR operation 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 ऐसे है. So in this first 3 bits are same. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So answer will be 0. सिर्फ last वाला bit opposite है. It is not same. 0 and 1 है. So वहाँ पे 1 आएगा. So if I perform XOR operation for A and B, I should get the answer 1. Now for NOT operation. Now in this case, whatever you have studied in digital electronics, what you are going to do, you are just make it complement. Complement matlab 1 का 0, 0 का 1 होगा. But in C programming, it will perform the 2's complement. That means first it will perform the complement and then it will add. Okay. So here just simply make a rule, or simply just use this formula. Not of n is equal to minus of n plus 1. Okay. दैट मीन्स ए का वैल्यू अगर मैंने 4 लिया है तो 4 प्लस 1 हो जाएगा और उसका माइनस होगा. अगर ए का वैल्यू मैंने -4 लिया है तो उसमें +1 हो जाएगा और वो उसको माइनस साइन मतलब वो प्लस हो जाएगा. लाइक दिस वे. Okay, so not of n is equal to whatever value of n plus 1 and that will be become minus. Okay, so this is the logical operation. Now bitwise shifting. Okay, so if I want to shift, a is shifted by 2. Okay, so what I need to do here, I should get a value of a. यहाँ पे गलती से b हो गया है. So a का value है 4, 0 1 0 0. So first I will represent into 8 bit. 8 bit में represent करने के लिए पहले हमें 4 0 append करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, in MSB position. So its value is not going to be changed. But if you append the 0 in LSB position, its value is going to be changed. So just we make the representation of the number from 4 bit to 8 bit. हम 4 बिट का नंबर 8 बिट में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. वाई? बिकॉज व्हेन यू शिफ्टेड द बिट it should be represented in the form of 8 bit. So just this 4 I am going to represent like this: 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now here you can see this 0 1 is shifted. So सारे के सारे बीट्स 2 बीट से शिफ्ट हो गए. ओके, if I write the command c equal to a shifted by 3, so ये जो 1 है वो इस पोजीशन पे आ जाएगा and that becomes 32. And if I only shift by 1, so ये जो 1 है सिर्फ यहाँ पे आ जाएगा and answer will be 1. Okay, so ये जो a shift operator 2 लिखा है, so this 2 indicates how many bits you want to shift. How you want to shift by how many bits. Okay, this next operand after the shift operator indicates that how many shifts you want. Okay, how many bit shifts you want, that is indicated by this 2. अगर मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 लेती हूँ तो ये 1 थर्ड पोजीशन से फोर्थ पोजीशन पे चला जाएगा. अगर वो एक ही पोजीशन शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, दैट इंडिकेट्स द वैल्यू इज 8. नाउ दिस इज राइट शिफ्ट. ऑब्वियसली दिस एरो इंडिकेट्स लेफ्ट शिफ्ट. सेकेंड बॉक्स, द एरो इंडिकेट्स लेफ्ट शिफ्ट. सो अगेन आई रिप्रेजेंट इनटू द 8 बिट फॉर्मेट. हमेशा मैं MSB में 0 डाल रही हूँ. वाई? द वैल्यू शुड बी सेम. LSB में नहीं डाल सकते, लास्ट पोजीशन में नहीं, प्रीवियस पोजीशन में डालना है. सो द वैल्यू शुड बी सेम. इट्स weightage should not be changed. Okay, so this is a representation. Now here I take the value of b, that is 5 0 1 0 0. Okay, and now here I will get this shifted by 2 bits. Okay, so ये जो 1 है यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गया है, shift towards the right side. Okay, this is shift towards the left side. Shift towards the right side में यहाँ पे shift हो गया, so value become 1. Okay, so this is shift operator. We'll see its program same way. Now here I will keep this as it is. You have to take the value of a from user, you have to take the value of b from user, and c equal to, I will use here ampersand. So what it is, it will do which operation? It will do AND operation. AND operation of a and b. So we have seen in PPT, if I take 4 and 5, the answer is 4. Now we are getting AND operation of a and b is 4. Same way, if I want to do OR operation. For OR operation I am going to use the operator pipe. कहाँ पे है ये ऑपरेटर? बैक स्पेस के नीचे वाला ऑपरेटर. ओके, शिफ्ट से लेना है वो. A or B. This is OR operation. And the OR operation of 4 and 5 is 5. Okay. Now we'll do XOR operation. What will be the answer of XOR operation? It is 1. Okay. Now we'll do NOT operation. Now here you have to perform the 2's complement, and अगर आपका डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में 2's complement अभी नहीं हुआ है तो it will be there in your first unit, I think so. Okay, so you take the value of this and you try to perform that 2's complement. Okay, it is 4 plus 1 and negative value, so we are getting here -5 for NOT operation. Now shift operation. A I want to shift towards left by 2 bit. And here only I will add the command B shift right by 2 bit. So shift left की जगह पे I will write here shift right of B by 2 bits. Okay, so shift left it will give answer 16, shift right it will give answer 1. Okay, the same way I have taken the example of A equal to 4 and B equal to 5. Now you have to do the program for this operator, and you have to take the value of A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 3. And you have to perform this logical operator. Okay, you have to perform a program for verifying the logical operations or bitwise operations. These are the bitwise operation: and, or, XOR, not, right shift and left shift. These bitwise operations you have to perform. So you have to write a program by taking value of A equal to 6 and B equal to 3. First solve this on your notebook, okay, and find the answer, and that answer you have to verify with your code. No need to verify the arithmetic operation because that is little bit easy, but you can try that plus plus and minus minus, increment and decrement operator.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
You have to write a C program to verify this bitwise operation. Bitwise operator. Okay, which bitwise operator? A and B, A or B, A XOR B, A not, then A shift right, A shift left. Okay, So this operators you have to verify in your program. For that you have to take the value of A equal to 6 and value of B equal to 3. Okay, and first perform this operation on your notebook and verify the answers with your program. I'm going to put that assignment also onto the Microsoft team. I will again go back to the PPT. Here we have seen arithmetic operators and its program, bitwise operation and its verification mathematically and its program. Now assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator is equal to. It will assign a value. We have already verified in program C equal to 12, C equal to 15. Okay, now plus equal to. Plus equal to means if I write C plus equal to A. Okay, क्या command लिखा मैंने? C plus equal to A. The meaning of this command is C equal to C plus A. Okay, क्या meaning है ये command का? C equal to C plus A. So plus equal to means first it will perform the addition and then it will assign the result to the variable. Okay. Now minus equal to, if I write C minus equal to A, so first it will do the subtraction and the result it will assign to the C. So C equal to C minus A. Okay, so what is the previous value of C? It will minus from A and it will assign the result to the C. For example, अगर मैंने A का वैल्यू लिया है 4, सो C इक्वल टू A लिखा तो क्या होगा? C इक्वल टू A लिखा तो A का वैल्यू 4 है तो C का वैल्यू भी 4 बन जाएगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट आई राइट C प्लस इक्वल टू A. C का वैल्यू 4 है, A का वैल्यू भी 4 है. नाउ इट विल परफॉर्म C प्लस A, so it will become 8 and it will assign that 8 value to the C. So after execution of a program, C का वैल्यू बन जाएगा 8. Now when I write C equal to minus equal to A, so C का जो भी previous value है 8 था, उसमें से A minus हो जाएगा. A का value 4 है, so now it becomes again C equal to 4. Okay, so before equal to you have to put the operand. Equal to के आगे आपको operand add करना है. So what it will do, it will perform that operation and then it will assign the value. जैसे asterisk equal to C asterisk equal to A, that means it will perform C into A and then multiplication value again it will assign to the C. Slash equal to, it will perform division of C by A and it will assign the value to the C. Mod equal to, it will perform C mod A and it will assign the value to the C. Then shift operator, it will perform left shift and then assign value. It will perform right shift and then assign value. So left shift and right shift by how many bits? कितने bits से left shift करना है वो आपको आगे लिखना पड़ेगा. C left shift 2, so that means it will shift the C by 2 bits. C left shift 2, right shift 2, that means it will shift the C bits to the right by 2 bits. Last wala I'm not able to see. Okay, now this is a simple example I have taken. I have taken int A equal to 2 and C is blank. Now when I say C equal to A, it will assign the value of A to the C, so that is C becomes 2. Now when I say C equal to plus, sorry, C plus equal to A, so it becomes C equal to C plus A, that is 4. When I write C equal to minus C minus equal to A, it becomes C equal to C minus A, that is equal to 2. Okay, same way. Yes,
नाही मैं करून घेतो थांब
C equal to slash
जाऊन घेतो ना
equal to A. Please mute your voice, so mic.
हो
All student, please mute your mic. Okay. Now if I say now see this carefully. These operators we have already verified. Now see here. C shift A ऐसे लिखा है मैंने. So what is the value of A is 2. That means C is shifted towards the left by 2 bits. So I will represent like this in 8-bit format. 8-bit में C value कैसे लिखा जाएगा? The value of C is 2 now. Now I've written here 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. This is the binary representation of 2. And when it is shifted by 2 bits, ये 1 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. So 1 second position से 4th position में 1 चला जाएगा. Now this value becomes 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. That is 8. So we'll get answer 8. When I say C right shift equal to A, so A का value है 2. So the command becomes C right shift equal to 2. अगर मैंने A में 3 डाला है, A का value 3 डाला है, तो C will be right shifted by 3. Okay, whatever the value of A, that much of bit is shifted right. So C right shifted equal to 2. Now previous the value, before this command the value of C become 8. Now this is the binary representation of 8. Now I have shifted towards the right. So ये 4th position में है, that goes to the 2nd position. ये जो 1 है वो चला गया 2nd position में. Okay. Now AND operation. C and A. Now C का value 2 है, A का value भी 2 है. AND operation of 2 with 2 is 2. Like this way, 0 0 1 0 and with 0 0 1 0 is 0 0 1 0. C or A. Okay, so this C or A is, the answer is what? 0 0 1 0 0 0 no, XOR है. C XOR A, that is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. All the bits are same, so answer will get 0. And now the C का answer 0 है. 0 or with A. So 0 or with 2, that becomes 2. So these are the assignment operator. The assignment operator is having only single assignment, that is equal to, that is simple assignment, and you can do the operation and then assignment. Okay, so whatever operator we have studied, bitwise operation and arithmetic operation, that operation it will perform and then it will assign. So this assignment operator will be combined with this. Okay. So here we again in the same program, I will delete this, and what I want, I just has to int A equal to 2. I'm not going to take it from user, or you can take it from user, keep as it is. B नहीं चाहिए हमें. I will remove the value of B. I take only C. C equal to A. We'll use simple command now. The value of C is.
Ma'am, screen is not visible. Program screen is not visible.
Okay. Now, are you able to see this compiler? Hmm?
Yes, yes, yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible because
It is
it is
visible,
showing.
ma'am. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Now here C equal to A, what it will do, whatever value of A that is assigned to the C. Okay, the value of C, I will just use this simple command. Now if I write C equal to plus A, sorry, C plus equal to A. Operator हमें पहले लिखना है, semicolon. The value of C is, okay. Now what should be the value of C if I put the value of A equal to 3? After this second command, C equal to plus C plus equal to A. If I take the value of A equal to 3, what should be the answer of C? Hmm. Somebody answer me, otherwise I will ask by taking your name. Okay, Harshal, are you there? Harshal Mahare. Harshal Mahale.
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat
Ah.
please?
Tell me the answer. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if I take the value of A from user 3. Okay, value of A is 3. And if I write this command C equal to A and after that C plus equal to A. So what should answer I get?
3
Hmm?
and C plus equal to A is
पहले कमांड में C का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे?
3.
Here you get the value 3. First command में आपको वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा? 3. C equal to A 3. Second command में
6.
what value you should get? 6, because now C value become 3 and you are using a operator plus equal to A, so it should become 6. Okay. Now I write C minus equal to A.
0.
No, it is not
0.
0. No.
3.
3.
Yes, we should get 3. यहाँ पे मैं लिखती हूँ कमेंट में, अगर मैंने ऐसा लिखा तो इन कमेंट आई शुड गेट अ C इक्वल टू 3. क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे मुझे? C इक्वल टू 3 मिलता है. ये मैंने कमेंट डाला है. ये whatever I have commented, that is not going to take part into the execution. Now here what happened? C equal to C plus A, that is equal to 3 plus 3 equal to 6. यहाँ पे वैल्यू बन गया C का 6. Now here C equal to C minus A, that is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll run this and we'll verify our answers. I will put value of A is 3. Okay, we are getting answer C 3, 6 and 3. Okay. Now if you are having pen and paper with you, I will write here C and equal to A. What answer I should get? Now C का वैल्यू क्या है? 3 है. A का वैल्यू तो 3 ही है. 3 and 3.
6.
And operation, beat-wise operation.
3.
Perform beat-wise operation.
3.
C का वैल्यू 3 है ना, so C का वैल्यू 0 0 1 1 है. उसके साथ and ऑपरेशन किया हमने 0 0 1 1. आंसर क्या आएगा? 0 0 1 1 आंसर आएगा. Right? So we should get answer here 3. I say now C equal to 6. मैंने यहाँ पे C equal to 6 किया है. उसके बाद अभी मैंने C का वैल्यू चेंज कर दिया. यहाँ पे C का वैल्यू 3 आ रहा है, पर मैंने यहाँ पे वैल्यू C इक्वल टू 6 उसको मैन्युअली असाइन कर दिया. एंड आई विल राइट C और इक्वल टू A. व्हाट आंसर आई शुड गेट?
I'm 6 only.
नाउ द C वैल्यू इज 6. C का वैल्यू क्या है? इट विल बी C और A. That is C का वैल्यू 6 है. 0 1 1 0, that is और with 0 0 1 1. और ऑपरेशन है ये, और 6 and 3 का और ऑपरेशन.
3 आएगा. 3.
7.
मैम.
7.
Yes. पहला 0 0 0. Next
7.
0 with 1 with 0 1. Next 1 with 1 1 and last वाला 1 with 1 1. So यहाँ पे मुझे वैल्यू आना चाहिए 7. Okay. So here we'll get a value. Here we get a value 3 and here we'll get a value 7. So what value we should get? 3, 6, 3, 3 and 7. When we put the value of A equal to 3. Okay. You perform this. This is the assignment operator. A simple assignment and assignment with the operation. Okay. Now the value of A is 7. And what I will do, C, right shift equal to by 2. 7 को मैंने राइट शिफ्ट किया है. सो ये जो 1 1 है ये आगे चले जाएंगे. So what value I will get? Calculate. This 1 1 is shifted. 1 shifted by 2 bits.
8.
8. No. अभी क्या वैल्यू है हमारा? I will write here into the comment. P का वैल्यू क्या है अभी हमारा? 0 0 0 0 0 0 सॉरी 0 1 1 ऐसा वैल्यू है, राइट? 7 को मैंने 8 बिट फॉर्मेट में लिखा. अभी क्या हो जाएगा वो? इट बिकम्स 0 आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग. शिफ्टिंग के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बिकम 0 0 0 1 then 1 1 0 0. 2 बिट्स से शिफ्ट हो गया ना. नाउ कैलकुलेट दिस वैल्यू. ये वैल्यू क्या होता है? कैलकुलेट करो. It is 16 plus 8 plus 4. How much it is? 16 plus 8 plus 4.
29.
It will be, you can calculate at which position it is. So I will take the value here 3, 28.
28.
Okay. Now it is 28, this value. Now here I will write now in program I will write C equal to 10. Then I'll write C left shift by 2. Left shift equal to 2. What answer I should get? का वैल्यू क्या है? 10 है. So C is equal to 0 0 8 times 0 0 then 0 1 0 1 0. This is 10 in binary. इसको मैंने कहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया? 2 bits I shifted. So what I will get? 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. So what is this value? इक्विवेलेंट क्या है इसका? डेसिमल. डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट क्या है इसका? 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. The decimal equivalent is 2. Okay. I'll run this program. Get the value 3 and here we'll get this answers. Okay. So you have to try all this. Okay. In assignment, I'm going to put only one question, but I have taught you 3 types of operator: arithmetical or mathematical, beat-wise operation, and assignment operator. Okay. This all you have to try in a program. Okay. And if you have any query, you can put there. And in assignment, I told you, in assignment, I have mentioned there that upload your Word file, but please don't upload your Word file. Take the screenshot of your code and output, and please upload that. Because many students, what they are doing, they are copy pasting the other programs and they are writing as it is. Don't do like that. This is for yourself. Okay. C programming आपको study करना है, then only you are able to understand the data structure.